Hello viewers, this is Rodak from Incest Route. I'm welcoming you to view our channel. Today our topic is a terrific one. This video will help everybody from teenagers to sportsmen, boys, girls, moms, dad and all. We'll tell you the benefits of using neem oil. You know, in general, neem oil is very good for your hair as well as for your skin. Moreover, according to many studies, this oil also helps to combat many diseases in addition to reducing all types of infections. Today, I'll give you 9 kinds of benefits that you will enjoy when using neem oil. Number 1. Do you like to increase the production of collagen on your skin? Do you like to brighten your skin? Do you like to see your skin getting lighter and smoother in a short time? Then you must use neem oil. Neem oil penetrates into the skin, and by doing so, it increases the production of collagen on the dermis level. Number 2. Neem oil hydrates your skin. Those whose skins are dry can benefit from using it on a daily basis. Mix it with coconut or olive oil and apply it to the whole body, including your face. Number 3. Neem oil has so many antioxidant properties that it radically reduces the acne problem by a lot. How to use it? Mix a few drops of neem oil with a few drops of good quality lavender essential oil, and that should take care of it. Number 4. Hooray! Neem oil contains anti-aging properties. We all want our skin to look young, even when biological age is jumping up with no mercy, right? If your goal is to keep the health of your skin looking young, then massage your skin with neem oil on a regular basis. Signs of wrinkle would start diminishing soon by tightening the skin. Number 5. Yes, neem oil gets rid of dandruffs. Normally, fungal infections or skin psoriasis causes dandruffs. Using neem oil will reduce this problem by cutting it out a lot. How to use it? The shampoo you use, mix a few drops of neem oil in it, and that will do the work. Also, if you use any hair oil, do not forget to add a few drops of neem oil in it for a wonderful scalp massage. Number 6. By the way, if you are going camping, make sure that you don't get any mosquito bites. You got it, right? Using neem oil in this kind of problem is very helpful. Just mix 10 to 15 drops of neem oil in half cup of coconut oil and apply it all over the body. Mosquitoes will stay far away from you. Number 7. Wanna know more? Neem oil cures athlete's foot or any other kind of infectious foot diseases. Mix a few drops of neem oil with MCT oil and apply it to the problem area for a week or so. You will experience a positive change in your feet soon. Number 8. Ooh la la! Neem oil removes hyperpigmentation. Yes, that's right. Your skin produces more melanin than it should, right? Sometimes it is a big problem. Then it shows on your skin, especially on the face. Mix neem oil with apricot kernel or avocado oil to decrease the spreading of melanin. Number 9. Neem oil has another benefit for your skin. With age, or even for some young people, the skin pores may appear to be large, so the skin does not look tight. As a result, no makeup sits on the skin properly. In this case, mix neem oil with moringa oil and apply on your face. Then you will see how quickly your skin pores are closing by giving the skin a compact, youthful glow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or like to know more, contact us and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and health tips like this. Ciao for now.